Imagine a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil, setting off a tornado in Texas. Sounds poetic, doesn't it? But this poetic idea is rooted in science, mathematics, and the very fabric of our universe. Welcome to the fascinating world of the butterfly effect. In this video, we'll uncover its mysteries, how it connects to time travel, parallel worlds, and even your daily life. Stick around for some mind-bending facts that will leave you questioning reality itself. The butterfly effect is a concept from chaos theory, first popularized by meteorologist Edward Lorenz. It suggests that small changes in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes. For instance, a tiny alteration in atmospheric conditions might completely change weather patterns. But this idea extends far beyond weather. It's a metaphor for how interconnected everything is. Think of it like this. A missed bus could lead to a chance meeting with someone who changes your life forever. It's a reminder of how delicate and unpredictable the universe truly is. The butterfly effect plays a huge role in time travel theories. Ever heard of the term temporal paradox? It's the idea that even the smallest change in the past, like stepping on an insect, could drastically reshape the future. Movies like The Butterfly Effect and Back to the Future explore these concepts. The effect reminds us that tampering with the timeline, even slightly, could spiral into unforeseen chaos. Now let's connect the butterfly effect with the idea of parallel worlds. Some theories in quantum mechanics suggest that every decision we make creates a new branch of reality. For example, choosing coffee over tea might split the timeline into two worlds. The butterfly effect implies that even minor decisions could lead to completely different outcomes in these parallel worlds. Here are some mind-blowing facts about the butterfly effect. First, it's not just theoretical. Lorenz proved it while studying weather predictions in the 1960s. Second, the term itself is often misunderstood. It doesn't imply causation, just sensitivity to initial conditions. And third, the butterfly effect isn't just in science. It appears in art, literature, and philosophy, symbolizing how small events shape history. For instance, consider how the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand led to World War I. A single bullet shaped the 20th century. The butterfly effect is a humbling reminder of how interconnected and unpredictable life is. It teaches us to value small actions and decisions because they can have profound impacts on our future. So the next time you make a choice, remember, you might just be flapping your own butterfly wings.